ॐ श्रीविद्यां जगतां धात्रीं सर्गस्थितिलयेश्वरीं नमामि ललितां नित्यां महात्रिपुरसुन्दरीं। ॐ श्रीमात्रे नमः। ॐ शिवशक्त्यैक्यरूपिण्यै नमः। ॐ श्रीललिताम्बिकायै नमः. Amma's beloved sweet children, we continue our talk about Navaratri. The 7th day Mahasaraswati Puja, 8th day Durgashtami. Mahashtami, not a regular Ashtami. Mahashtami, all Ashtakastas, 8 varieties of the challenges, tears, problems, everything, all kinds of the problems, completely controlled by Divine Mother, and she will take care of all your problems. Ashtaisvarya Bhoga Bhagyas, all kinds of the auspicious things are going to grant by Divine Mother on Durgashtami day when you do the Durga Puja. Definitely do the Durga Puja. Suppose if you have not the opportunity to do all the 9 days Navaratri, at least you must do Durgashtami Puja. Durga Devi Shakti, you need abundance of Divine Mother grace when you do the puja on Durgashtami day. Unbelievable energies enter into your body. Unbelievable radiances enter into your body by practicing today mantra sadhana, sitting in front of the Sri Chakra, constantly doing the sadhana. You will get abundance of Divine Mother, Divine grace like anything on Durgashtami. Next day, Mahanavami. Mahanavami, not the regular Navami. Mahanavami, all the 9 days people are constantly doing, they put the kalasam, daily Chandi Path and daily Chandi Parayan, and also homas, Chandi homas, Ganesha homas, Lakshamodaka Ganesha homas, and so many Navagraha Shanti homas, and Rudra homas, Samputita Sri Sukta homas, Mahalakshmi homas, Sriman Narayana homa. How many homas? No, innumerable homas. Mahasaraswati Devi homa, Durgashtami and Durga homa, Durga Trishati homa, Chandi Saptasati homas, innumerable pujas, homas, constantly going. Durgashtami day special puja they did. There was a big lamp. Top of the lamp, Durga Devi Murti was idle there, and then they decorated that biggest Murti with like a Deepa Lakshmi. 8 directions they put all kinds of the 8 varieties of Ashtalakshmi Durgas, and then Deepa Puja for the Divine Mother. This is very, very special in the evening time, and all the Veda mantras, Rigveda mantras, Yajurveda mantras, Atharvana Veda mantras, Samakara mantras, Upanishads, Itihasas, so many Parayanas, so many pujas, so much mantra japam happened to the Divine Mother. Durgashtami, there is no breathing time. Durgashtami, that many pujas and homas and abhishekas, all the things are happened. People's hearts are completely overflowing with the joy, eternal joy. The fountain of joy comes from the hearts of the disciples. Mother opened their hearts. Divine Mother never allow anybody remain in ignorance, especially anybody do the puja on Durgashtami. Next day, Maharnavami, the culmination day, last day puja. Very powerful day. Whatever you miss in your life, what all the job or financial troubles or your friends or anything, what you miss in the life, everything with the grace of Divine Mother, everything will become positive when you do the puja to the Divine Mother, especially on Maharnavami day. If Mother pleased with your puja, Mother grant you greatest boon of peace, eternal happiness in your life. Navami Puja, Satrupeda, all the enmity with the people. We never think we have enemies. I never think I have enemies. If anybody think I am their enemy, it is not my problem, it is their problem. I think this total world is, I want to be friendly, I want to spread my love in the world always. I just want always only the pleasant heart, completely filled with the grace of Lord Arunachala. I don't like to keep on other things except than Arunachala in my heart. I want to spread my love in the world. So if anybody have the enmity problem in their life, if they do the puja on Mahanavami, the Satrupeda, the problem with the enmity will be completely just go away with the grace of Divine Mother. You are always under the grace of Mahishasura the protective glance of Divine Mother Mahishasura take care of everything about you. You need not worry for your enemies or anything. You just surrender to the Divine Mother. And Saranagata Dinartha Paritrana Parayane Sarvasya Arti Hare Devi Narayani Namostute. There were so many important things to focus our attention on those things. A lot of people, one day I was going on the road, a lot of small children with their mother sitting, and they look so suffering with a lot of poverty. We stop our car and then we want to feed the children and support them. So like that, no, it gives so much pain to see that kind of circumstances. You have to do the seva to the people like that, no? It's very, very good. Directly you are doing the seva to the Divine Mother only. Not only the Abhishekam in the temple, when you support anybody physically, the human beings, see the Divine Mother in the human being and support them. In Mahanavami day, you get the blessings of Mahishasura Mardini for protection in all walks of your life. Dasami. If anybody do the Dasami puja, Dhanavruddhi, Grahashanti, abundance of financial development, a home is always with abundance of peace, and Vamsabhivruddhi, your family, your children, their children, grandchildren, everybody is going to be good in their life. They have not much challenges in their life. And unbelievable pouring blessings of Divine Mother comes on the Vijayadashami day. So definitely, at least if you have not time to do the puja in Navaratri, you have to provide the time, children. Don't say, I have no time to do the puja. When we are going to provide time for ourselves, this is the right time to provide some time for ourselves. We must not do any other activities except the Divine Mother Puja to get more Shakti in your life. The spiritual Shakti, abundance of Kundalini Shakti, Ajhatmika Shakti, spiritual enlightenment, everything comes with the grace of Divine Mother, Parashakti. So definitely on the Vijayadashami day, your family are going to be very powerful. All your pains will be subside by doing the puja to the Divine Mother on the Vijayadashami day. Do some charity for the needy people around you. Help them. Love them. Call the people. If anybody in the problems, call them. Talk with them some kind words. Give your love to the people. This is also true puja to the Divine Mother. And then we are continue the Navaratri. This is Navaratri 10 days puja we finished. Ekadasi, 11th day. What is the benefits when we do the Ekadasi puja to the Divine Mother? People are fast in Ekadasi day. Definitely sure they never get any liver damages in their life. This is Vedic science. Very beautiful. One day Upavasam is going to protect one organ in our body. That is the speciality of the fasting. Definitely follow Ekadasi day. Don't eat food. Have some liquid diet only. When we do the puja to the Divine Mother Ekadasi day, all our sorrows are disappear. We are always sitting in a greatest protection. Divine Mother greatest protection is around yourself. Always that protection, never give up yourself. That is the power of the Ekadasi puja to the Sri Chakram. When you do the puja on the 12th day after the new moon, they never suffer for food and dress. Some people have no food to eat. They are suffering with for regular things, no? Regular human rights. Water, food, medicine, education. These are the regular human rights to get in their life. When we do Dwadasi Parayanam, Dwadasi Puja to Sri Chakram, these problems never comes in their life. They're going to be get all these things with the grace of Divine Mother. When people are doing the Trayodasi Puja, 13th day Puja to the Divine Mother is going to grant lot of Shakti, energy, abundance of Bhogabhagyas, all kinds of the auspicious things and all kinds of the wealth in their home, peace in their home, protection in their life. Divine Mother protection is always like a trishul. The trident is around, always around them to protect them from the hindrances in their life. Trayodasi day comes. If we have millions of works, keep all our millions of works next and then do the puja. That much merits are going to come by doing the Trayodasi day puja to the Divine Mother. 14th day after the new moon, Chaturdasi, if people do the puja to the Sri Chakram or Divine Mother Lalita Sahasranam Parayanam, on the 14th day, millions and millions and millions and countless lifetimes of karma load completely burnt by the grace of Divine Mother. You have not opportunity to do puja for all these days. Every full moon time, definitely you have to try to be fast on the day and do the puja, meditation, sadhana. The 16 radiances enter into your body. Completely your body is full of spiritual radiance. Divine Mother, 16 radiances enter into your body. So your body is not the human body at the time. It is a radiant body. Any kind of sins are never going to be in that body when people are doing the full moon day puja. So this is the Sri Chakra Puja Mahima. Especially we discuss Navaratri time, the pujas are going to grant greatest merits to all of you. Let Divine Mother be always with you in your heart, always gives you only positive thoughts, divine thoughts, pure life, not deviate from the truth. You have to go to your Guruji and do the namaskaram to your Guruji and offer to him some prasadam, fruits to him and take his blessings on the Navaratri time. It's more auspicious. If you give up anything in the life, it's okay. If you give up your Guruji, you remain in emptiness in your life. Nothing never comes in your life. Whatever you get is zero only. You never become hero. If you have your Guru's Ramana Maharshi grace on you, you will get abundance of peace and abundance of happiness in your life. So, don't deviate yourself from your spiritual path and don't like to be from high to, don't like to come down. You understand, no? You have to grow, climb the steps only. Expand yourself, elevate yourself and always in peace, in truth only. Truth is very powerful. Truth is nothing but Divine Mother only. Divine Mother put her feet wherever there is truth, Mother put her feet there itself. So, and Divine Mother, wherever there is respect for kumkum, haldi, bangles, flowers, fruits, and also deepam, Divine Mother dwells there. Wherever there is Sri Chakra, Divine Mother dwells there itself. Wherever there is truth in the life, Guru Bhakti in your heart, that is the temple for Divine Mother. Unshaken devotion, unshaken love on your Guru, Guru Mandala Rupini. Divine Mother is the Guru Mandala Rupini. So do the Navaratri Vratam, definitely get the grace of Divine Mother on these auspicious New Year's Sarvari Nama Samvatsaram Navaratri festivals. Definitely get you abundance of Divine Mother grace always in your life. Amma, special motherly love once again for all of my beloved children. Love you so much from the bottom of my heart. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.